Well, it is, let's see, what is today? Today is some kind, I don't know, January 4th, 2018. And it is a nice 7 degrees. And at least I got sun today. But this morning I had to do a blower motor on a roof. And now the office was nice enough to send me over to another rooftop. The wind chill's got to be like -10. So we're going to get up on the roof, and you know, it's not snowing here, but I got snow blowing off a big roof up there. So it's not the most optimal conditions. So I'm going to get the ladder up over there. Rooftop is for this section over here, so I'll take you along, figure out what the heck's going on with this thing. I love getting up on roofs when it's, you know, minus below 0. So, alright, well, let me start this. Okay, it's a little snowy up here. They weren't nice enough to shovel the snow. I don't know what's wrong with these people. They should shovel their roofs. This looks like an ICP. Oh, it is. Let's see. It's not running. Alright, let me get into this really quick. Okay, well, we got into it. Heat exchanger was good. But the funny part is, they told me it hasn't worked in a while. Okay, so now it's, you know, it's, I don't know. It's January 4th, and it's, you know, 10 below 0, and it hasn't worked in a while. The funny part about it is, I don't know how long it's been, because the freaking part's missing. Everything's hacked in. It's missing an inducer motor. I don't know, this is wrong. It's got some rollout limit. It's head rollout. Wires are crispy. I haven't even got into the control panel yet. Oh, jeez. Get you on a tripod here. Alright, let me grab my drill. Man, I can't believe these people didn't shovel the roof. Oh, let's see what else is missing in here. I wonder if the power's on. Moving on to it. Yeah, it's got power. 230. So I got my 230 coming in there. Board and everything looks good. Oh, let's see. If I got 230 there, I should have 24 volts at the board. Let's see, common R. I got 24 volts at the board. And look at that. They cut the W wire right there. Jeez, oh Pete. So, honestly, I don't know what else is going on with this thing. I mean, I could get that inducer motor on there, have a bad gas valve. It could be on and on and on. We don't know. But the heat exchanger is good. I got spider webs in my burner there. So, I don't know. I think I'm going to order burners for it, a limit switch, an inducer, just to even get started. Because I don't know what else is up with it. I need those parts to get it running. Gotta call me at the frickin' coldest day of the year. Alright guys, that's gonna be it for this one. I'll try to get some more videos. And I'll see you on the next one.